Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Fetch Rewards Plus Plus for absolutely free. Just a few extra steps required since it is a tweaked app. Fetch Rewards, as you can see, you're going to be able to add points to your account to get all of these things for absolutely free, just with a few clicks right. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, as soon as you install the app, you already start off with 1,000 points. But before we get into the app, we're gonna have to make sure that your phone is ready for an install. So you're gonna go to and find settings in your phone and click on that. Once you go here, you're gonna wanna go to battery. You're gonna wanna go to battery, and you're gonna wanna make sure that your low power mode is off. If it's on, the download will not work, so make sure that's turned fully off. Next, you wanna go and find your general, and you're gonna wanna back around app refresh. Once you're here, you're gonna wanna make sure it's on, and it's either on Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi. It cannot be off. You're gonna wanna make sure it's on Wi-Fi and cellular data. So make sure that's saved, right? And then we're gonna go back to general, go to software update, and make sure that your iOS is anything above 10. It has to be above 10. It can't be anything below 10 or else the install will not work. Right. We're gonna close this out and then go here. The Fetch Rewards app, find it. To redeem all of your points, you're gonna wanna see this little button right here. You're gonna click it. Watch this. Every single time you click it, 4,000, 5,000. 5,000. This is a lot, guys. Look, let's see this paper towel. It is 100 points, which is $10. So if I'm not mistaken, we are adding $500 every single time to your account, which is so much. I don't think you guys understand how much you can get. You guys can get V-Bucks, Xbox, PS4, any kind of gift card you guys want. It's on here, I promise you guys. Let's go ahead and just add a few more. If you guys can see, this is absolutely crazy, totally bugged. And you guys want to hurry up and hop right on this before this might get patched or anything. This does not require a jailbreak, just a few downloads. Right, so now that your phone is all ready for the install, you're gonna wanna go into your web browser, find your web browser, and go to this, uluhub.com. I'll give you guys a second to go ahead and find that. And as you guys can see, you're gonna wanna go into the search bar and search in Fetch Rewards. Look, and as you can see, it'll pop up right for you, Fetch Rewards Plus Plus, free points, and more. The injection is required. This is the part that I had to make sure that your phone is ready for the install. So we're just gonna click Start Injection, and it's gonna start the download. This will take like 5 to 10 seconds depending on the speed of your phone, but just wait a second, it'll get there. Setting up the final stage, yup. Okay, now this is the extra little steps that you have to add. Additional fires are required for Fetch Rewards Plus Plus. So we're gonna wanna go ahead and click go. And then you see this is one of the apps that you have to install to make sure that the app can fully go through. So you have to read them and then unpack them, so let's go. So you can see Fetch Rewards, you have to download that first so that you can link your accounts, and then all these others. So I'll just use this one as an example. I just press get, right? It brings you right to the app, You just have to use this for about 30 seconds per app, and then once you're all done with that, you'll be ready to go. And it's crazy, man. I've already done them, so I don't have to, but